A massive bushfire along Old Harbour Main Road in St. Catherine forced the closure of at least one school and disrupted commute for several hours today. Firefighters from 2 departments battled the blaze for over 5 hours and had to travel by foot to access some areas within the remote terrain. Kelisha Williams has the story.
This is what the Old Harbour Main Road looked like Thursday afternoon. For hours, a massive bushfire blanketed the area. Motorists traveling at their own peril, using their headlights to navigate through the thick smoke. A worker at a gas station nearby doing what he can to stop the fire from spreading, but the wind was against him.
I'm trying to put away the fire from right off here to avoid the fire, the sparkling thing from the gas station.
It's difficult to see them, but firefighters have been on the other side of the inferno battling the blaze for over 7 hours. Commissioner of the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Stuart Beckford, said they got the report around 10:30 Thursday morning.
We dispatched 2 units, one from Old Harbour and one from Cornerstone Fire Station. The team members are still on location as we speak. They have managed to contain the blaze, about 75% contained. Right now, there's still some amount of work to be done there. And one of the challenges we are facing is that some of it is inaccessible to our units, so we have to be traversing and foot to get to some location to be able to extinguish the fire. It's approximately 75% contained, and we are confident that we will be able to put it to extinguish it completely before nightfall.
From early this morning, this fire starts somewhere back from over there.
Oh, that's over where Innswood High School is?
That's right.
Okay.
But how the fire come across the road, I couldn't tell you.
It's why the Innswood High School had to dismiss classes early. While the fire did not threaten the structure of the school, students and staff were badly impacted by the smoke.
The entire school population, became frantic. Students were displaying signs of respiratory issues and adults alike. So we had to really make a decision pretty quickly, and we decided to dismiss school at about 12:30 thereabouts. We made some quick reaching out to parents and so on to make them aware of the arrangements.
The cause of the fire is not yet known. However, the JFB says Jamaica has just entered the bushfire season, which runs from January to March due to the dry and windy conditions this time of the year. In the United States, California's devastating bushfires have also been driven by extreme wind conditions, and so Jamaicans are being warned to be cautious.
It's early days to talk about possible causes, but what we have seen over time in relation to these fires, it is usually started by discarded, whether it's cigarette butts, whatever person may be smoking and driving along the highway, or we may have farmers clearing lands.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.